Alright, now these problems are slightly different, especially this left one. Now you can see we do not know this side length right here. That's going to be hard because in the last problems we did know that. But I do know the radius is 10.4. But look right here. This is the big thing to notice about this problem, especially some of these problems that we're going to talk about, is right here. That is a right triangle. So that means we can use Pythagorean theorem. So if I'm going to do this. I'm going to take 10.4 squared minus 8.4 squared. So if you don't know I got 37.6, I took 10.4 squared in my calculator, and I subtracted that answer from 8.4 squared. It's exactly what you should be doing. And then I square root this, and I'm going to round this. I'm going to get x equals 6 point, I'll say 1 decimal. Okay, so now the problem on the right. This one we're going to ask you to do a couple things. Now, sometimes with this problem, you're going to have to draw something in. So you can see, I don't have a triangle, but I can create a triangle. Right there, I just created one. Now, this 15 goes here. Now, the question is, what is the length of the line I just drew? That's 18.9. If you don't know how I got that, I just went from the center to the edge of the circle. That is what we call the radius. If I go from the center to the edge of the circle, that was 18.9. And I'm going to try to find y first. We must find y. We're going to use to find x. So y squared plus 15.7 squared is 18.9 squared. I'll do the same thing I did with the left one. I'm going to take 18.9 squared, subtract by 15.7 squared. That's what you would do. You would literally take this number, subtracted by that number. And you get y squared equals 110.72. I'm going to square root that. I'll put 10.5. I rounded it. Now, if this is 10.5 and the whole thing is 18.9, subtract it. So that means this whole thing must be 18.9. We subtract it. We get x equals 8 point. Around, I'll say, oops. Should be 8.4. So you can see that, especially in the right problem, we had to do one thing in order to do something else. That's why people struggle with that. But notice those things. You got to start realizing that.